Hello everybody, let us solve one more mathematical aptitude and reasoning. Yes, so here is the problem or the question. The number of observations in a group is 40. So the total number of observations in a group is 40. So this is the statistics related kind of thing, mean, arithmetic mean related problem. The average of first 10 members. So out of 40, average of first 10 members is 4.5. And the remaining member average, that means out of 40, 10. So remaining are 30. 30 average is 30 observations average is 3.5. But what is the average of this 40 observations, overall average, whole average, the average of whole group. Okay, see, they have given n equal to 40. So total observations are 40. So what is the formula for the mean? X bar equal to summation xi by n. That means summation xi means sum of number of observations. Sorry, sum of observations by n, number of observations. Summation means summation symbol. So here I equal to xi I am taking. No, xi means x1, x2, x3. That means observation 1, observation 2, observation up to observation 40. That's why summation I equal to 1 to 40. Symbolically we write it like I equal to 1 to 40. So this is the like for 40 members, this is the formula. So this x bar we need to find for this 40 members using this formula. Actually, this is the actual formula. We need x bar, they are asking, but they already gave, they divided the observations into 40 observations into 10 and 30. That means n1, if n is 40, let us take one part is n1, one part is n2. n1 is 10, n2 is 30. Now if I am taking average of this 10 members and also average of this 30 members, that means x1 bar, x2 bar. Overall average is x bar. Here I am taking x1 bar, this is 1, and this is x2 bar. Okay. Now when I am taking x1 bar and x2 bar, summation is nothing but same formula. Sum of observations by number of observations. That means summation xi by n, summation xi by n. Here n1, n2. n1 is 10, that's why by 10. n2 is 30, that's why by 30. They gave this 10 observations averages, 10 members is 10 members average is 4.5 equal to 4.5, and 30 members observation is 3.5. So here I am taking I equal to 1 to 10. So out of 40, I equal to 1. So first 10 they have 10, no? They have told, no? First 10 observations. I equal to 1. Remaining 10 over, after 10, 11 to 40. These are the 30. 11 to 40 means 30. That's why by 30. So 4.5, 3.5. Now we want the I equal to, okay, from this what we need to find out? This one we need. Actual questions x bar we need to find out. N equal to 40 anyway. N equal to 40 is there. Now this numerator part we need. Okay. This is the average of the whole group. We need to find out this. For this we need this and this. N is already given 40. Total observations 40. Or total members in the group is 40. Summation xi I equal to 1 to 40 I need. They gave 1 to 10 separately and 11 to 40 separately. 10 and 30. 1 to 10 and 11 to 40. But I need 1 to 40 I need. So for that 1 to 40 what I am doing is summation xi 1 to 40 is nothing. But here one more step I am writing. Summation xi I equal to 1 to 40 is nothing but summation xi I equal to 1 to 10 plus summation I equal to 11 to 40 xi. So this both I need to add. Okay. This both I need to add. Let us take this. That means this x1 and x2, this summation, this one I equal to 1 to 10 and summation I equal to 11 to 40. These two I need. These two I need to add. That means if you take this one, that's it, 4.5 into 10. That means 4.5 into 10. And here 3.5 into 30. 4.5 into 10. 3.5 into 30. 3.5 into 30. That is 45 plus 3.5 into 30 is 105. That is total 150. Okay. So I got 150. So what is the average now? X bar equal to this formula. N equal to 40. And the summation what we got here? 150. So 150 by 40. So 0, 0 cut 15 by 4. It will come to 3.75. Okay. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. That means 3 is there. 0.30. 4 7s are 28. 2 is there. 20. 4 5s are 20. So 3.75. But in the option they gave 15 by 4 only. So if they may give 3.75 or they may give 15 by 4. So that is the answer. If they give 15 by 4, that is the answer. Or if they give 3.75, that is the answer. Both they won't give. In one option 15 by 4, in another option 3.75, they won't give like that. If they give like that, that means they gave it wrongly. So you put this also, you put this also, both will be right only. So okay, sometimes they'll give like this 3.75 or sometimes they'll give 15 by 4. That is the question. Observe carefully. So this is the average related question. So average simply they won't give the observation and calculate the average. That is, in a simpler way, if they want to give, they give like that. But these are the things they will ask. So they divided the 40 group into, they told 40 and they give 10 one and 30 another group. That 10 average they give, 3.5 average they give. So here the tricky part is the summation part we have to find out. So for the summation of 40 observations, if we need to find, we need to add this both. How to add this both? This n into that average, n into average. See, summation equal to n into average, no. Average is equal to sum by n, sum by n. If you take n this side, it is in division by no, so it becomes x bar into n. That means summation xi is equal to x bar into n. So that's what we did here. So this is the summation is equal to 4.5 into 10. Here the summation is equal to 3.5 into 30. So that is 45, 105, both we have added. That is the total sum. And the total sum divided by total number of observations is 40. That is what the average of the whole group. Okay, got it? Yes. So check our other videos also. Please consider subscribing. Like this, more I will be making in the form of shorts also. And in one video itself, like about 1 hour or more in a video, I will take a set and I will be explaining more like this. Yeah, thank you.